Pathful, we believe accessibility is essential. Through a partnership with UserWay, users have powerful accessibility options built right into the platform, giving students and educators the tools they need for a more inclusive experience. To access these features, navigate to the Profile area of the platform. Here, you'll find options designed to support visual, mobility, and learning accommodations. Choose from over 50 language options to change the language of the text on the platform.
Create and find accessibility profiles tailored to common user needs. Help customize the experience for both students and educators.
Once you select an accessibility profile, preset accommodations are applied automatically. You can further adjust, remove, or add specific settings to fit your needs. Hover over the information icon to learn more about each accessibility profile. You also have the flexibility to select individual or multiple accommodations based on your specific needs. We encourage you to explore the options available. Click around to discover features that can enhance your experience and support your accessibility preferences. Once you select your accommodations, they will remain in place until you choose to modify or reset them altogether. Pathful's accessibility options ensure a more user-friendly experience for everyone. If you have any questions, please visit the Help Center or the Resource Center.
Thank you for joining this tutorial.